So after masking your last, you draw your center line. So here's the center line. Then you start your drawing from here at the front here. Bring this line down. So we're going to take a measurement from here. Take a measurement from here. We're going to take 1 inch measurement. 1 inch measurement. So you take 1 inch. Then the gap is going to be from here to here. The gap is going to be 0.6 inch. 0.6 inch. Then you take another measurement, 1 inch. Then leave a gap of about 0.6 inch again, and then you take another 1 inch. So that's the 3 straps. Then you start your drawing from the end here where the last measurement ended. Then bring it down, take another one from here, take a curve, take it from here, take a curve, bring it up to that measurement. Now we're going to take a measurement from here down to this place, 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. That's the measurement we're going to take from here down to the feather edge. So we now take our drawing from here. Bring down the first 1 inch measurement, bring it down to that 1.5 inch. At that level, take the second one, just like that. So watch closely here. You see the first strap is longer at this point. You have a curve here on both sides. So this one is a bit. You leave about 0.3 inch gap from the center line, the space. So it has to be shorter than the first strap, a bit. So here is it. Then bring it down again to the 1.5 inch. Take it to the last 1 inch measurement. So this strap also, it is going to be a bit shorter than this one at the center. So you just take it like that, and with that we are done with the sketching. So we are done with the drawing. The next thing now is to cut out the pattern. So you can see what we have. Let's cut it out. So after cutting it out, remove it from your masking tape and paste it on your cardboard paper. After that, add your lasting allowance of about 1.5 inch, because you know the Birkenstock, the thickness is going to take a lot of leather, so you add 1.5 inch measurement as your lasting allowance. You add it round. Once you are done, cut out the pattern and cut it into shape. Then place the pattern on your cardboard paper again after cutting it into shape and mark out an outline of it. Then extend the lines for the straps. You extend the lines for the straps. So after that, you take your line on that point where the lines almost intersected each other, so you take your end line at that point. So you can see it here where this try to intersect these two, so you do the same on the 3 lines. Now we are going to minus, this is the width of the box we are going to be using, about 0.6 inch, so we minus it here from this side, 0.6 inch. Take the same measurement at this spot, and also do the same on the center strap. You turn it around, see the sides where I'm taking the measurement from, so 0.6 inch, and minusing it from the strap. Then this time around, from here to here, you measure 0.6 inch. So after doing that, you use your ruler to connect the measurements. So now we are going to make sure we join the both lines together at this point. So we have to take a curve, from that 0.6 inch measurement. We have to take a curve there, so we have to do the same thing on the 3 straps. So just watch closely to see how I am joining the lines at this point here. So once you are done joining them at this spot, you can see it. So you are done with that. You can now cut it into shape. So at this spot is where the 2 patterns are going to be meeting at the center. So remember, that's exactly the point where the first one stopped when we marked it out. So right now let's try it out on our last and then see how it looks. So you can see the lines here. See the line? That's where this one is going to be meeting with the other one. So remember, that's where you are going to attach your buckle, but I'm going to use depot so that we'll see how it looks on the last. So you can see how it looks on the last. So you see how it looks. At this point, we're going to cut off the excess buckle strap. So I cut this one out from this point, then followed by this, then followed by this. So with that, we are done with the pattern. See what we have. That's it. So this is our end result. Feel free to drop your questions in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates as soon as our next video drops. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and see you in our next video.